Hello, young producers using Blender. This is a quick workflow video to show you how to export your 3D model with all of the images and textures included. So we have our final model in our Blender environment here, and the first thing that we need to do is make sure we've selected all of the objects within this model. So you can do that by hitting A on your keyboard, and that's going to select everything like this. You can also just drag over the objects like this, so either way is fine. The next thing to do once your objects are selected is we need to package up all of the image textures into one folder, and this is really easy. Go to File, drop down to External Data, and you'll see there's a command in the drop down list called Pack All into .blend. And when you select this, what that's going to do is take all of the images or textures that you might have on your hard drive or your desktop and put them into one folder so we can locate them all together. So I'm going to click on that. Brilliant. And the next thing we need to do now is to export this file. So go back to File, Export, and we're going to select the .fbx version. Hit that. And you'll get this dialog box that's opened. So in the top you can see this is your file destination where your file is going to be saved. You can change that if you need to. In the path mode here, you want to have this drop down set to copy. Next door there's a little icon which is the embed textures icon, so hit that, make sure that that's selected. Underneath there is a checkbox for selected objects. Make sure that that is selected as well. And then we can just name our file here. So I've just called this cube, for example. And we're going to export. Okay, and that's going to export your model now to this file location, which you can then just simply email over to us. Okay, I hope that was easy and useful. If you have any problems at all, just drop us a message in Discord. Thanks a lot and look forward to receiving your 3D models.